Hello students, how are you? Hope you are well and fine. So first of all, let me ask you one question. Suppose if you have a muddy water, how you will clean it or make it a clear water? How you will do it? Okay, that means muddy water is a mixture of some particles and water. So there are 2-3 things mixed together. So this is a mixture and we have to separate these mixtures. Okay, we have to separate the water from this mixture. So how we will do it? There are 2-3 processes that I will show you here. Okay, first one is sedimentation, second one is decantation, and third one is filtration. Okay, so today we are going to learn these 3 process of separation techniques. For that we need some things, okay, that is available at your home. Okay, you take this type of beakers or glasses you can take. Okay, I have taken beakers or glasses or any plastic jugs you can take. Take some mud or soil. You can see. Okay. And water also. I have taken water also. Okay. So first of all, what we have to do? So let's come to this experiment setup. Okay. Okay, you can see these things. So first of all, I will take a little amount of water into this container. So after 5 minutes, this soil particles, the heavier particles will settle down at the bottom. Okay, and you will get a little bit clear water above. You can see. Okay, so this process of settle down of heavier particles at the bottom and leaving behind a clear water, this process is known as sedimentation. Okay, and the soil particles that have settled down at the bottom, okay, those are known as sediments. Now we will take out this little clear water that we got from here in this container. Okay, now I am taking out this clear water slowly so that this sediment should not come out. Okay, so slowly. So this sediment is leaving behind. Okay, this process of taking out the clear water is known as decantation. Okay, now we have a little bit muddy water. You can see. Now we will clear this muddy water with the help of a filter paper. You can use tissue paper also. I have filter paper with me. This is the filter paper. You can use tissue paper also. See, you can use this kind of tissue paper also. So I will use this filter paper with the help of funnel. You can see this funnel I have. So what I will do, I will take this filter paper and fold it like this. And now pour this water, this muddy water into this and see what happens. This is muddy water and this is filter water. You can find the difference. You can see the difference. This is little bit clear. Why it is clear? Okay, because you can see this is the filter, this is the filter paper. Okay, if I open this filter paper, so this mud is known as the residue, and the water, that clear water that came out here, this is known as filtrate. You can do it once again, then you will get more clear water. If you do it 2-3 times, then you will get total clear water. But it is not useful for drinking. Why? Because the bacteria that is there inside, okay, that has not been removed yet. Only the mud particles, only the soil particles are removed. So this is all about filtration. So for filtration, what we need? Filter paper, or you can use this tissue paper also. Okay, you can this tissue paper you can make a shape of like this, and then you can use it. A tissue paper, funnel, beaker, these are all things available at your home. Okay, those you can use, these are the things you can use and do it. So today what we have learned, one is sedimentation, decantation and filtration. Okay, so these are the 3 techniques of separating a mixture of mud particles and water. So you have to separate the water from the mud particles to get a clear water. So for getting a clear water, these processes are used to separate the mixtures. So how did you like it? If you like it, then I'm giving you a task and you do it. So enjoy doing these activities. Have a good day. Thank you.